want you to see the bigger picture, to believe in yourself, to understand that you are the most powerful and the most amazing human beings. And don't forget, women lead huge organizations around the world. Women lead countries. Women give birth. Women lead generations.
And the one thing that excites me more than maybe any other thing is the power of a single idea. One little, tiny, small thing. It doesn't even seem to be that big of a deal. I know if I apply that one little thing, and then I just lean into it, 3 years from now, I'm a different person.
This event brings forth women who are so willing to share from their heart.
There is no reason in the world that if you want it, you can have it. You just got to get up off your behind and stop complaining about what somebody didn't do for you.
This incredible business where you can make gangsta money. But it is about who you get to become in the process, which is the most beautiful thing. And when you realize that the only way you get here is by loving on other people and knowing other people, and when it's not about you, it's magic.
Because let's be honest, if you want to have incredible results, you have to work.
The only regret you'll have coming to an event like this is that you didn't bring more people from your team.
You are the most powerful women in network marketing. Let's go and change the world. And